I joined TCS as a Power BI developer, and then currently I'm working for Cognizant, and currently I'm working as a tech lead. So I'm handling, so like there are three developers under me. So I think it's a good level up as per me. I got 90% of.
I am learning the Power BI from the Intellipaat only. I got one more. I think I got three or more offers from different companies, and like I got a decent hike also. Like you can say 130% hike I have.
I myself moved to Accenture, and now I'm part of one mid-based company called US-based company basically. It's Orient Solutions. So there, I happen to work on multiple platforms, both in ETL platform and as well as in the BI platform. So that's how Intellipaat worked for me, and I can project myself like how it is working and how the real-time project phase works everything. And also my hike percentage was almost 100% actually.
I learn all the things in with Intellipaat, and then after that I got a job in EY and as a Power BI developer only hike. So I got a 75% of hike in my salary.
Before joining Intellipaat, so I was not aware how is it, how will I get this, how will complete this course, will they, fulfill my requirement or not? So I had no clue. But once I joined it, so I can say right now it's more than the expectations.
I could confidently represent myself as a Power BI professional as well as having exposure to SQL language after completing these two courses from Intellipaat. I got a good hike in salary. Okay, it's more than 60%.
I got a pretty good hike, you can say almost about 60%. So like for your information, I'm currently working with EY, Ernst & Young. It was a beautiful journey. And I never really, expected that online learning can be so interesting and worthwhile.
Before I took the course, I was playing the role of a lead business analyst, and my designation was that of assistant manager, as I mentioned. And when I took the course, I actually learned the advanced concepts, and I was successfully able to deliver the business dashboards, Power BI dashboards to the business, and that helped them to take a decision whether how exactly they should design the upcoming roadmap for the projects and what was the value delivered to the end users through the projects. So that helped me to kind of establish that relationship with the business and achieve their confidence levels. So as a result of that, I was being promoted to manager, within 1 year of taking the course. I also got pretty much a good hike in terms of percentage, about 20%, and that was beyond my expectations.